It's always very exciting when a fresh VIP box arrives. There's this anticipation like Christmas morning in the air, if you know what I mean. Well, let's see what we got in our spring box, shall we? This is a pretty large one, actually. All right. Let's see. We got a sampler from Precise Continental. I love these. It really shows you the difference if you print something offset, thermography, foil, or if you engrave it. A great sample piece. A little notebook from Hammer Press. This is letterpress on the outside. We have this is an amazing piece. It really shows you magical finishes from Classic Color. Lots of different finishing samples for you. We have, you gotta love this. We literally rated the sample drawers at Twig and Fig, which is Boutique Invitation Studio. And so we have a variety of different samples in each box. This one actually is printed on wood. How cool is that? We have Brilliant Graphics Peak Color, the Thanksgiving card. Each leaf shape is digitally cut in a different shape. A pop-out card. This is a letterpress printed again, and you can actually pop out all these little items, the buttons and so on, thanks to Data Graphic. And we have a folding carton all the way from Europe, from Graphische Grip Mattis. This is actually cold foil printed. I wanted you to have a sample of this so you can actually see and feel what this looks like. This is this is a holiday card, but this is not just any holiday card. This is GLS holiday card. Wait for this. It's 3-dimensional, so it pops up. And you literally have this amazing forest. And obviously you can use this concept and this as a jumping off point for a lot of other fabulous invitations. And last but not least, the famous typography calendar from Studio Heinrichs, thanks to Kit and the fabulous team at Zappi. What can I say? Another fabulous VIP box chock full of inspiration.